Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about AIIMS Recruitment 2021. Now, these are the basic details that you have to know. The organization name, All India Institute of Medical Science. Post name, Professor, Additional Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor. The number of vacancies are 140 and the starting date has already been started, so be prepared. And the closing dates are on 1st of February 2021, which is going to be online, and 2nd of February 2021 is offline. The mode of application is through online and offline, and the job location is in Jharkhand. And here is the official website. You can check out the official website as mentioned here on the screen if you need further information. Moving on to the vacancy details. For the post of a professor, there are 29 vacancies. For additional professor, there are 23. For associate professor, there are 30. For assistant professor, there are 50. So in total, we have 140 vacancies open. Now here are the education qualification requirement. For each of the posts, the requirement will be differing, so please stay ahead. For the post of a professor, the education requirement is medical candidates for board specialty discipline, medical qualification included in 1 or 2 scheduled or part 2 of the 3rd schedule to the Indian Medical Council Act of 1956. A postgraduate qualification, MD or an MS, and the experience, 14 years of teaching or research experience. Number 2 is medical candidates for super specialty discipline, MCH for surgical super specialties and DM for medical super specialties, and 2 to 3 or 5 years. And the experience which is required is 12 years of teaching or research experience accordingly. Prior, the candidates also can have 11 years of teaching or experience, 3 years course after doing their MBBS. Further on, the next post is for the same post, which is professor. The additional qualification requirement for dentistry candidates, qualification include in part 1 and part 2 of scheduled to the Dentist Act of 1948, postgraduate qualification in dental surgery, which is also called as MDS, and the experience requirement is 14 years of teaching or research experience. For non-medical candidates, what is the criteria? Master's degree, doctorate degree, experience of 4 years in teaching or research experience. Moving on to the next post, which is additional professor. For the post of an additional professor, the education requirement for medical candidates for board specialty discipline, medical qualification include in 1 or 2 scheduled or part 2 of the 3rd scheduled to the Indian Medical Council Act of 1956. A post-graduation qualification, MD or an MS, and the experience requirement is 10 years of teaching or research experience. Number 2, for medical candidates for super specialty discipline, MCH for surgical super specialties and DM for medical super specialties, 2 or 3 or 5 years experience, 8 years of teaching or research experience with a 2 or a 5 years course after doing their MBBS. Priorly, the candidate can also have 7 years of teaching or research experience, and that should be 3 years course after their MBBS. And the same post, additional professor, this is the rest of the category requirement for the category of dentistry candidates. Qualification include in part 1 and part 2 of schedule to the Dentist Act of 1948. Postgraduate qualification in dental surgery, which is also called as MDS. Experience, 6 years of teaching or research experience. For all the non-medical candidates, the criteria is as follows: master's degree, doctorate degree, and the experience with a 6 years of teaching or research experience. Moving on to the next post, which is the associate professor. For the post of an associate professor for the category of medical candidates under the Board of Specialty Discipline, medical qualification include in 1 or 2 scheduled or part 2 of the 3rd schedule to the Indian Medical Council Act of 1956, a postgraduate qualification MD or an MS, and the experience requirement is 6 years of teaching or the research experience. Number 2 is medical candidates for super specialty discipline, MCH for surgical super specialties and DM for medical super specialties, 2 or 3 or 5 years accordingly. The experience requirement is 4 years of teaching or research experience, where 2 or 5 years of course after their MBBS, priorly 3 years of teaching or experience, which is 3 years after they're doing their MBBS. This is the next category of post under associate professor. For the position of dentistry candidates, please note that qualification include in Part 1 and Part 2 of the Schedule to the Dentist Act of 1948. The candidate can also have a postgraduate qualification in dental surgery, MDS. The experience requirement is 6 years of teaching or research experience. For all the non-medical candidates, the criteria is a master's degree or doctorate degree, experience with a 6 years of teaching or a research experience. Moving on to the next post, which is assistant professor. For the post of an assistant professor, under medical candidates for the board of specialty discipline, medical qualification include in 1 or 2 Schedule Part 2 of the 3rd Schedule to the Indian Medical Council Act of 1956, a postgraduate qualification MD or an MS, and the experience requirement is 3 years of teaching or research experience. Number 2 is for medical candidates for super specialty discipline, MCH for surgical super specialties and DM for medical super specialties, 2 or 3, priorly 5 years. And the experience is 1 year of teaching or research experience or no experience after doing their MBBS. Now, in the same post of an assistant professor, this is the rest of the category, which is covers up dentistry candidates and non-medical candidates. For the dentistry candidates, qualification included in Part 1 and Part 2 of the Schedule to the Dentist Act of 1948, postgraduate qualification in dental surgery, and the experience 3 years of teaching or research experience. For the non-medical candidates, master's degree, doctorate degree, and experience with 3 years of teaching or research experience. And this is the education qualification for all the non-medical candidates. Now please note the master's degree in the concerned specialty, anatomy, MSc with medical anatomy, biochemistry with MSc having their medical biochemistry, physiology as their MSc, medical physiology, pharmacology with MSc, medical pharmacology, microbiology with MSc, medical pharmacology. Then the doctorate degree in a recognized university is essential. The age limit, applicants should not exceed 58 years of age before the closing date. Application fees, for general and OBC it is rupees 1500. For SC, ST and EWS, it is rupees 1200, and for PWD, there is no such application fee. Moving on to the salary details, for the post of a professor, the salary is starting from rupees 37,400 to 67,000 with AGP of rupees 10,500 per month, and for additional professor, rupees 37,400 to 67,000 with an AGP of rupees 9,500 per month. For an associate professor post, the salary ranges from 37,400 to 67,000 with an AGP of rupees 9,000 per month. And for assistant professor, it is rupees 15,600 to 39,100 with an AGP of rupees 8,000 per month. Then, this is the selection process. Based on the details mentioned in the application form, the candidates will be shortlisted and will be called for an interview. And here is the link of how to apply. You can check out the same link even in the description box as well. So if you are looking for any of the desired professor posts, you can go ahead and check out the description box and get the direct access of the link. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.